I launched a brand new YouTube channel and got monetized in just 8 days. No camera, no editing, just 2 AI tools and no magic in this video. I'll show you exactly how you can do the same step by step, the entire process from start to finish. There are many channels earning serious revenue from their original music tracks, including phonk, epic music, rock, and hip-hop. Take a look at this new trend called brain rot. The creator makes tracks using meme characters. The song industry is growing fast with tens of millions of views. You can make any type of track using just one tool. Keep watching and you will learn how to create your own playlist of phonk tracks or any genre you love. Upload them to YouTube and other platforms and start building income. First, choose your genre. It could be phonk, epic music, or anything else. I will use phonk with popular brain rot characters as an example. We will create a full album of 10 tracks and release them on all platforms. Open ChatGPT and write this prompt name. All the characters from the Italian brain rot meme. First, we need a theme. You can pick your own or follow my approach. ChatGPT will list all the characters with details. Great, the next prompt we write is about lyrics. We want up to 1,000 characters. Write this. I want to write my own music in the phonk style, and the lyrics must include the names of absolutely all the brain rot characters. It doesn't have to be meaningful music. Just add phrases for phonk and the names of the brain rot characters. It should be up to 1,000 characters. ChatGPT will write lyrics for your phonk track. It doesn't need to be logical. Just use catchy words. Your viewers will remember. Now copy the lyrics, go to the website Music AI. This tool lets you create high-quality tracks without writing beats or instruments. The homepage gives you a panel to start making music. Choose custom mode because it offers more control and lets you add your own lyrics and pick the genre in the instrumental section. Do not check the box because our phonk will have vocals. Then in the lyrics section, paste the song text created by ChatGPT. Now type the style and genre of your track. This is very important. Go back to ChatGPT and write this. I generate music through a website and I need to describe the style and genre of the song. Please write up to 100 characters about my style. Phonk, this style should work well if you want other ideas. Ask ChatGPT for more or write it yourself. If you know music, enter the style in the style of music field. Now you need a title for your track. Choose something bold and catchy. Ask ChatGPT to come up with title ideas like this. Come up with a title for this song. If you don't like the first results, just type more and it will suggest new options. Combine and pick the one you like, enter the name, and decide if you want to publish the track right away. If you plan to upload it elsewhere, it's better to leave the box unchecked. Models 1 and 2 differ only in how much text and genre info they use. If you want something longer, choose Model 2 and write more text. Finally, click Generate and wait for your track to be created. It usually doesn't take long now. Our first phonk track is ready. Let's listen to what we made.
Tra-la-la, stepping in my Nike. Bombardero, crocodilo, flying low with that torpedo. Chimpanzini, bananini, swinging wild with Anasini. Cappuccino, assassino, slice the groove like a cappuccino.
Now we need to make a great video background for our phonk track. First we will do it for this song, and later we will return to Music AI to create a full album. Go to the Music Vid site. This platform lets you create a video background for your tracks. No registration is needed. Just open the site and click Get Started here. You will see many popular video templates. Choose the one you like best. I will pick the most popular one, the first template. Click on it, and you will be taken to another page where you need to upload the track you created in Music. Once uploaded, you will reach the video settings page here. You can adjust everything to your own style. There are many sections. First, click on background here. You can change the image or leave the one that is already there. I will use a space-themed background. Open any browser and search space background. 1920 by 1080 full HD pick any image you like that fits your theme and download it. If you want a different theme, no problem. Choose what fits your idea. Phonk for me feels like space, so I chose that next. You can leave the checkboxes alone. They are not needed. Below that you will find vignette settings. I suggest setting it to around 0.5. That way it is not too bright and not too dark. There is also a transparency option. I will leave it unchanged. The next setting is mirroring. As you can see, the image is mirrored. You can keep it mirrored or select none. I will choose none, so the image stays normal. But again, it is your choice. Then we have particle settings. You can leave them on default or reduce the values so they are less distracting. I slightly lowered the numbers. The second last setting can be left as is. Now, an important detail is the emblem in the center. I will customize it with my own style. Go to your browser again and search Brainrot Arts. Find any image with Brainrot characters and download it. It is best if the image is square 1:1. Now go to ChatGPT, upload the image example, and write this prompt based on the example I sent. You generate the same image, but in a 2D drawn style with a square, 1:1 image. Just write these words instead. Phonk Brainrot, change the background to something space-related, and replace the girl at the bottom with another one. ChatGPT will generate an image similar to your example, and you will have your own original version. Wait a moment, great, it is done. It looks really cool. What do you think? Write in the comments. Download the image before we continue. I want to say that I made a new prompt collection for you in this guide. You will find all the text prompts I used to create the lyrics, images, and more. You can follow my steps without mistakes to make your own tracks. Just do not copy everything exactly, since your tracks should be original. You can download the full prompt pack in my Discord channel. There I chat with subscribers, share tips, and help beginners grow on YouTube. You can ask me anything. Their link is in the video description. Let us go back to Music Vid and upload our emblem perfect now. Let us adjust it to fit the circle since our image is not perfectly shaped for it. Simply uncheck this box and change the size of the neon ring, the lighting, and the image position until it all looks balanced and clean. Play with the settings, or follow what I did. Already looks great. Skip all other sections since we do not need them. Go straight to Export tab. Set the best quality. Choose ultra fast and 60 frames per second. Do not touch anything else. Click Export and wait around 5 to 7 minutes when rendering finishes. Your video will download automatically. Let us see what we got.
Yeah. Tra-la-la, stepping in my Nike. Bombardero, crocodilo, flying low with that torpedo. Chimpanzini, bananini, swinging wild with Anasini. Cappuccino, assassino, slice the groove like a cappuccino. Ballerina, cappuccina, spin that latte, ballerina. Tongue, 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 sahur, bashing beats like a wooden blur. Burr, burr, patapim, vibing deep in jungle dim. Literally, la time warps when she walks by. Walks by, walks by.
This looks awesome. What do you think? I hope your result turned out amazing too. Now we have a fully finished music track with visuals. Now we return to ChatGPT to continue building our album, and we ask it to generate 9 more songs in different music styles to keep things varied and interesting. I decided to go with 2 additional phonk tracks, 4 horror-themed tracks, and 3 background instrumentals with no vocals at all. For each song, I asked ChatGPT to suggest a unique genre and approach, so that none of them would sound the same. This gives our album a fresh and dynamic feeling once ChatGPT finishes generating the lyrics and genres. We take the first track, copy the text, then head back to Music AI on the site. We paste the lyrics, choose the genre, and add a creative title for the track. If you prefer to add your own genre or come up with a custom title, you're absolutely free to do. So that is the beauty of this process. You can control the direction at every step. Click generate and repeat this process with each of the songs one by one until your full album is ready and complete. What I find really powerful about Music AI is that the tracks you generate aren't just for listening. You can actually use them as background music in your videos, which is a huge bonus that adds more value to your content. I've already done this myself and it works perfectly. If you want to go even further, you can also create visuals or animated images to pair with your songs and build full video clips that go along with the vibe of each track. This part is optional, but it adds an extra layer of creativity. I've now generated almost all the songs for the album, and the last few I have left are the instrumental ones for these. We need to enable the instrumental checkbox at the top of the Music AI page. Then you just enter the genre and song title. No lyrics are needed for these tracks. So make sure the genre really defines the atmosphere you want to create. I will be making 3 examples to show you how great instrumental tracks can sound and to demonstrate how flexible the platform really is. Music AI allows you to experiment with any music style you enjoy and bring your ideas to life in just a few steps. Now that my final track has finished rendering, I officially have a full album of music that I created entirely with AI and my own input. This is a very exciting result, and I encourage you to try the same. Let us now listen to one of the instrumental tracks I just completed. In my opinion, it turned out fantastic. The sound is rich, immersive, and relaxing. The kind of music you can put on repeat and enjoy for a long time. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and feel free to share your results or ask me any questions. I try to respond to everyone, and I really enjoy hearing how your projects are going. Once your tracks are done, download them to your computer, organize them, and create video backgrounds, just like I showed you earlier, and your full album will be ready to share with the world. I really recommend giving Music AI a try. If you're interested in music creation, it's easy to use and the possibilities are endless. From my own experience, I can say that this niche is fun, engaging, and has real potential. I've personally managed to start making income by using this tool consistently. If you're planning to grow your YouTube channel and want to build something long-term, remember that consistency matters. YouTube rewards those who stick with it and keep improving. Even if you're starting from scratch over time, you will see progress. If you're looking for more guidance or step-by-step help on how to grow your channel, be sure to join our community through the link in the description. We've put together over 20 video lessons covering everything you need to know from getting started to reaching monetization and building your own audience. I hope you found this tutorial valuable and that you learned something new today. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future updates and new trends. Thanks again for watching, and best of luck with all your creative projects.